up, guys? It is JT Traveler, and today we are on the Colorado River in Austin, Texas, and we're going to be fishing using the ZiZZO Forte to get around. So this is my fishing setup on the ZiZZO Forte. It's a proof of concept, nothing official, but I got my tackle box in the front, and then I got the Fisherman's Life travel rod right here, and then I also have my other rod that I bought a long time ago. This is the Colorado River here in Austin, Texas. So I'm about to be fishing all the way down here. So this right here is the Fisherman's Life travel rod. Very handy because it comes in a hard shell case, and it's an 8-foot rod, but it fits in this little package. Oh, I think that's it, 4 pieces. So I haven't fished in Austin, but for bait, I got these worms, and they've worked for me in the past to catch a bass. Then I got this, I'm gonna try this out. Panfish. You can catch all types of stuff with it, so hopefully that comes in handy. And I got worms, the good old worms, you know what I'm saying. And then I got some more of those night crawlers. So yep, we're gonna see what works. And I also got bread. I should have brought a hot dog too. All right, guys, so I got this tied onto my first one. I am rusty. It's been a year since I fished, so just the best I could do. I need some practice. I am also going weightless because I forgot to put the weight on, but I don't think I'm gonna drop it too far. So there we go. All right, let it sink. Excellent. And let's loosen the drag. Actually, that's pretty loose. Yeah, it's pretty loose. Just leave it like that. That is the setup. It looks kind of strange, but it works. That one I'm gonna let sit for about like 20 minutes or so, because I only catch bass when I just let that sit. And it's been that same exact color where it's like the green with little red sparkles. That's the only time I get bass. Ooh. Oh no. All right, got this one tied up on this one. I'm gonna put these worms on it. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh, he's doing some kung fu. My wife sings songs about eating a worm. She sings a song like, nobody likes me, everybody hates me, I might as well eat a worm. All right, we're fishing. Oh, too much line. Yeah, so right now we got the worm going on, and then we got the other one going on. This one went tight, so yeah, let's go ahead and pull this, because it went tight. Let me just, oh, we got something? We do got something. Did we? No, we don't. Something had a bite of it, I think. Yeah, something had a little nibble. Let's get back in there. Getting bites on the worms, that's good. Let's go ahead and throw this one by the tree. That's probably where most of the fish are anyway. Oh no! That was a terrible idea. And now this rod may snap in the future. 100% sure it probably will. All right, let's check this rod. I think it should be gone by now. Worm's still on there, no bites. 134, 38. I'm just gonna wait here until probably around 50, 10 minutes, and then we're all moving to the next spot. Alright, next place I want to go is right here. There you go. Down these stairs though. Alright, here we go. Woo! Alright, this place is pretty loud, but I think I should be able to catch a fish down by these bridge pillars. Hopefully, some structure. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to stay here. I may just throw the worm to see what the worm can do. and then we'll head over to Red Bud Island, or Isle, or whatever the name is. There's a beautiful place too. There's a place to walk across the little bridge underneath the road up top. Oh my goodness. All the worms have risen. They feel the jostling of my bike. All right, let's go for that first cast over here. I'm aiming towards the middle of those two pillars. Let's go. That was a terrible cast. But let's see if it gets anything. Right here is where I'm putting my fishing rod, right through this little triangle part where it connects the back section to the rest of the body. And it is working great. It is awesome. I'm only gonna fish the one rod right now, just because I think about head out and go to Red Bud, because that's a really chill and nice place. What is this? Oh, it's kelpie over here. Oh my goodness, is my worm even in there anymore? Oh, that is nasty. Let's get the pliers out. This is like when I'm cleaning out the drain at my apartment. Of course it's not my hair, I'm bald. All right, worm, if you're in there, you get to go free today. Oh no, it's still there. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Right where I wanted it to be. What time is it? It's 2, damn, it's 2:24 already. I'm gonna let it sit until 35 and then we'll go ahead and leave. All right, not super successful there, but I figured it would be like that. So we're gonna head over to Red Bud after my snack break. I was just about to go up those stairs, but look at this little area right here. That's graffiti and that water pass. It looks like some stuff eroded and broke off. Interesting. Now I would bike to Red Bud, but I don't have a helmet right now. And the pathway there's a lot of cars. And also, it's getting pretty late in the day, so I'm hungry. Next time, maybe I'll go do a full bike ride, but I'm just gonna drive there for today. And then we'll bike around Red Bud to find some good fishing spots. This is Red Bud Isle. This is Red Bud Park. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a beautiful park, as you can see. It's been featured in one of my videos actually before. The one where it was my wife's first time biking on the road. They came over here. It was a very funny adventure. Make sure you go check that out. I'm gonna go to the peak of this park because I've seen in the past there's a lot of fishermen that like to fish from over there. I'm just gonna do what they do. Oh, this is a perk of not having an electric bike. You can pick it up still. It's pretty windy over here. See how rocky it is. It's not bad. All right. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to cast this from the side. Yeah. Okay, here we go. And the bow, as they say. Oh, that was pretty good. And then this one, I think I'm just going to let sit here for the whole time I'm here. I'm not going to touch it until it goes off. All right, this next one, I'm going 2 worms. All right, got my worms. Now I'm just going to cast it all the way out. All right, let's cast. Right, pretty fun. Oh, you guys can see that. Uh-oh, we may be stuck. I may have to swim out there, guys. Nah, I just got here. I'm using worms though. So,
They're still on the bottom.
Excellent.
It's kind of like 50-50 right now. I think they're testing it.
Yeah.
They'll come up and see that it's a little too warm, and they'll go back and suspend a little bit.
Okay, so they kind of suspended in the middle.
It's tough though, because they release water from the bottom of the dam, so the bottom is super cold. But the
top
is not, so they're just like this the whole time. You're casting out in the middle, it's like stair step like that.
Mm-hmm.
The bottom. So right off the front, it's maybe like 8 feet down. Then the next one's like 15 feet, and the very bottom is like 20 with the rock. So the big bass are going to be hugged up on that stair piece.
Gotcha. So I keep it closer. Yeah.
Really, I would just try all of it.
Okay.
Try top water, try suspending maybe. If you have jerk baits, that might get bit.
I think I have
Or
something.
you can drag a worm and possibly hook up to like a 12-pounder.
You suggest letting it sit or just keep on reeling it in?
I don't know. You can drag the bottom.
Yep.
Like just keep constant contact with it, and you can slowly reel it in. Just drag your worm along. You can let it stop. Like bounce it a little bit.
I'm not having too much luck right now, but the wise local just helped me out a little bit more. Oh, that's not gonna help me if I don't open the bail. I gotta work on my casting. I feel like I'm jousting right now. I'm gonna joust that down. I should joust that guy too. I should be jousting everybody. I just dropped off one of my rods because there's too much to worry about. So now we're gonna keep on searching for a good spot. I think I'm gonna hit one spot up, one more spot, and then we're gonna be done. Speaking of the spot, mountain biking on the ZiZZO. Yeah, I think this setup is the ultimate setup because you just have one rod in the back and then your tackle on the front. You don't have to worry about the extra part, but yep. I think I'm gonna give this a try and I'm gonna call it for today. I don't see little fishes in the water, and that's my real indication that there's fish here. There's none. So I'm gonna throw it out there and see, but it looks like it's probably gonna get caught on some seaweed back there. Let's try this, guys. I'm seeing some movement out there in the wild. The bail is open this time. Okay, that was a good cast, but problem is it's with a bunch of seaweed right there, so unfortunately I don't think it's that good. So the little fish like these worms. Oh, too much line. Hey, don't you get me snagged back there. You just got me snagged. What the hell? I'm just right here, man. Oh my goodness, don't tell me he got me. He really just got me snagged back there. What in the world? This looks like the stomp from Shrek, doesn't it? With the grass right here and this is the stomp. It looks like on top of his house, right? That looks like the Shrek thing. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this out. Hopefully there's no snakes around here. That seems semi-sturdy. Can't believe this. Can't make this up, everybody. I think I see a spot that I can fish. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pack my bike up. I'm gonna put it in the car because my car's just right over there. And I'm gonna go ahead and hike over here. Oh wow, we found something. There's no snakes, no snakes. If I find a snake, I'm gonna tie it up like a worm and cast it up there. Okay. I should have been here the whole time. I got a worm and a piece of bread. The dam is just over yonder. I am tired. I am kind of tired. So I think I'm just gonna sit back and relax and enjoy the day. I'm just gonna let it sit out there. I'm just shaking the rod at this point like crazy. Cause I'm gonna think maybe if it's shaking a lot there, I'm gonna be like, that's not really, I don't really want to eat that, but like, let me just look at it because that's weird. I thought I felt something. Well, no fish today, but I didn't see anybody else catching fish either, so I don't know. Maybe like the time of the year they get to fish early in the morning and you can't really catch anything in the evening, so, or maybe the evening, maybe if I stay here for a little bit longer, but I tried. Roll that outro. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This has been Fishing with the ZiZZO Forte. Definitely need some modifications in the future so I can make it very capable, you know. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good day today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Wait, please like and subscribe. Okay. Have a good day today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Adios.